Imagine that your next video is so charming that people click like crazy and that your channel finally takes off. I want exactly that for you, so I compiled my few years of YouTube experience into this 5-point method that will get your channel to whatever numbers you aspire to. And by the way, focus and pay attention, because what I'm going to tell you is way more than the common advice from small channels you've already seen dozens of times. And let's be realistic, your work deserves to get its results ASAP. But some small factors that you ignore can block it, so let's get into the first part. A great video may blow up your channel, but on the other side, it can leave you with barely any views and broken dreams, as you may not be able to satisfy the viewers next time. To prevent this and get a better understanding, take a look at this.
Oh, you have water! I'm blocking you off from the water. Yeah, come over, come get it.
It's just two dudes playing games. They published a bunch of videos, but only one of them got viral. A one that is completely different from what they usually post. This secretly sabotages their channel. The audience that came from that viral video won't be satisfied with videos about something else. This means that any of the advice is completely useless, right? Hold up, not really. If you stay consistent with a style that attracted the audience in the first place, then you don't have to worry about them leaving your channel. Huh? You could spend tons of time on crafting the most sophisticated thumbnail and overthink your title, and you'd still lose to one made by someone who's got the understanding of how this works. Fortunately, I'm here to guide you. You already know all of the surface level advice, aka make it eye-catching, make it this, make it that, but no one told you that your thumbnail is your ad for your video, and this means a lot more than you may think. There's no secret formula you hear all the time, and there's no simple way to explain how this works, but overall, your ad has to tell what's the price, what's the product, and the reason why should anybody buy it in the first place. I try to simplify this as much as possible, so please, focus and listen. Your thumbnails don't have to look good or captivating. Look at this thumbnail, it's ugly, but it does its only job of getting people to click. So I'm telling you right now, rather than delusively spending hours on crafting the thumbnail, spend that time on brainstorming. The title or the thumbnail cannot be a copycat of someone else's from your niche. You aren't the person you are replicating, and you are just making a ripoff. Instead of doing that, go on YouTube, get inspired by someone from other niches, and then bring the good part of the thumbnail back to your niche. The good part can be really anything. It can be the simplicity, it can be the style, it can be the font, it can be the intrigue that it creates, just anything you feel confident that you can replicate. If I wanted to get low views, I would name this video as every other Grow on YouTube video, but I didn't, because that's not what I wanted to achieve. If your intro doesn't hook people, then it's game over for your entire video, regardless of the amount of effort you've put in. So to not let this happen, write these 3 crucial points down. Confirm, pull, tease. Confirm meaning confirm that the video matches the viewer expectations. If someone clicks because they think they will find A, but you tell them about B, then it's game over. The average attention span is so low that you gotta do this in the first 5 seconds of the video. You can confirm the viewer by simply putting the title
Stranded on this deserted island, and we're gonna be stranded here for the next 7 days.
or thumbnail.
This is the world's greatest wheelchair.
Into the beginning, and then you gotta pull the attention. And now listen, there is no wrong way to grab attention. Some people simply over-edit their videos, but there is another, way simpler way to do it. Invoke emotion. And the best thing is, it doesn't matter which emotion. Make the viewer angry, sad, happy, annoyed, whatever. But bear in mind, you also gotta tease the value from the video. And this one is the hardest part. If you say too little, it's game over. If you say too much, it's also game over. You gotta find the sweet spot where you introduce the topic enough to get the viewer invested, but not too much, because this is an instant click off. If you can fulfill these 3 points, then it's downhill from there. But still, there's one big obstacle you really gotta watch out for, and that's value and idea. This is the most important thing. If you mess this up, then no good intro or thumbnail will save you. Well, actually it's 90% true, so let me explain why. The YouTube video idea divides into few main elements, but before I break them down, keep in mind the rule 0. All of them have to match and fit together, because, you know, self-improvement topic doesn't go well with entertainment style of editing, raw talk videos don't go well with fancy thumbnails, and the list goes on and on. But now let's break them idea parts down. The main part, the 90% of an idea for a video is the video's topic, and a good topic is obviously any topic that your target audience wants to watch. I had to mention it because of the rule 0. Alright, so if you look at each element one by one, you will realize that the thumbnail and title comes before they click onto your video, and the rest happens after. And that's all you gotta understand. But wait a minute. Every part seems pretty self-explanatory. The thumbnail is the thumbnail, the hook is the first few seconds of the video, the style is the answer to what type of video is it. But what is the last point? Action. Action is the topic being realized. In other words, action is the value being portrayed by work or some other action, meaning thing that is being done in real time. If the topic is how to build muscle, then the action is doing the exercises that are necessary for it. That's work or action. So basically, your thumbnail, title and overall presence of your channel, everything before the click has to prove that there is value inside the video, and after the click you gotta keep that feeling and also indeed provide the value, whether it's entertainment or education. It seems obvious, but still many channels do it the wrong way, so I had to bring it up. If you are serious about doing the YouTube thing, then you really gotta get among people who do the same. Because when you work alone, it can take years to discover that one small factor that could have made you viral. But when you work in a group of people, or you simply have an access to a community doing the same thing, these small factors are being discussed every day. So if you are looking for a community like that, then feel free to join my free Discord using the link in the description. Congratulations, you watched this video until now. This means you have potential for creating content on YouTube, and that's something really unique. So if you don't want to waste that potential and stop wasting all that time on crafting videos that get no views, then listen carefully, because I have something for you, and don't worry, it's not another bullshit YouTube course for a limited price. Because I will personally help with anything you want to know when it comes to succeeding on YouTube. And just to clarify, I got 130 million views on this platform, and I'm 200% confident that I can help you out. So check that link down below. I'm only taking few people in because taxes, and yeah, otherwise just join the free Discord because there will be lots of value there too. And yeah, that's all for the video. See you soon.